Hey everyone, this is Electronic Consumer back with a brand new video, and today guys I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the color earbuds. I got these for $1. I heard these were really good earbuds. They don't like the store sound. They have really good bass, and remind you it's only $1. So it says noise reducing, stereo sound, light and comfortable. And this is the back. So it's compatible with MP3, CD players, and smartphones with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And then right here just shows the specs of the earbuds. So let's take it out the package and show you what it looks like. So this is the packaging. Came in like this. Really nice. So these are the earbuds, aux cable. And then yeah, it feels really cheap. Wait, what do you expect actually? It's only $1. Feels really nice though. Yeah, it feels really nice. So guys, I tested these out for like a day or two, and the sound was actually pretty excellent. Only thing it needed was a little bit more bass, but what do you expect? It was only $1. But that's pretty much it. The quick unboxing of the $1 color earbuds, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.